Hello friends, and now I will give you a brief introduction to those products and show you how to use them together. And first we get one text receiver, and here is the plastic support for it, and here on the back you can open the cover, and you can see there one 3A dry battery in it. It's the power source, and this one is the package for it, and you can see it's totally blank, and we open it. You can see there one text receiver and one chain for the receiver to hook on your belt, and this one is the paper menu, and it works. And this one is the call button, you can see, and this is the sticker for it, and this is the package for the call button, and there are 4 buttons on in one plastic board, and you can see there are also 4 stickers for the buttons. And next I will tell you how to program the call button with the text receiver. And first I will tell you how to switch the button on. And you can see here is the ring bell icon, and below it here is a hiding key, and it already switch on. And now I will show you how to turn it off. Also the same way to turn it on. Long press it until the light flashes 3 times. Then it turns off. And we switch it on. Now press here, and the light flashes 3 times, and now it's working. You can see the light is on. And now here is the text receiver, and there are 4 keys on it: upward key, downward key, and the menu and the confirming key, and this one is the home key. And for programming, what we have to do is to long press the upward downward key together, and we enter the program page, and there are 4 options: save number model, delete number model, delete all number, escape. And we choose the first one and save number model, and then we press the call button, and you can see that here is the call button ID EU1AA, and then we name the button as the number 1001, and save it, and press home key, and then we test it. You can see the number 1 call service, and the alert way is just a beep. And press home is key to cancel the alerts. And the home key also can press home key also can check the call records. You can see the menu, and we can see options: delete a message, delete one message, log message. And the menu key, you can see the first option is escape, and move, choose alert, set time and alert, and alert model, temperature off, and confirm, and confirm again, it will turn off, but we don't want it. And we just change the alert model. Audible alerts, vibrate only alerts, and beep and vibrate alerts, and we choose it to test. And now you can hear the beep and the vibrates. The alert way is now like this. Okay, we finished. Thanks for watching.